Okay, so our next video is going to be about the symbol for zero, the second drawing. Now this is the second drawing here. First we had the square root, and this is the symbol for zero. This is the zero with the this math equation that came up during the meditation. I found the square root of it came to 2596, so I put 2596 within zero, and I found the other information. This is probably, there's several videos on this. I think I'm on video, I don't know what, 6, 7, 8, 9 maybe, 9 by now. So you can follow each video if you want. So we're going to go back to, there it is. Oh no, that's zero beside it. That's the next one. Okay, so this is when I googled zero, I was trying to find out the Babylonian or the ancient Mayas, what they thought of it. So Wikipedia comes up with mathematics, zero complex analysis in mathematics, a root of holomorphic function, which I still have to look up and see what that means. Zero element in mathematics is a generalization of the number zero to other algebraic structures. Zero of a function in mathematics, a root of a function, and sign to zero. A zero with an associated sign, a theoretical number relating to the consistency of set theory, zero number sign, another such theoretical number, zero plus. So what I was looking at, zero of a function in mathematics, a root of a function. So I went with that one. The second one, called sign zero, is basically zero, a positive with the plus sign, or negative with a negative sign. And it's down here. It's either sign zero, which is zero plus, or zero minus, or it's the root of a function. So those were the two that stuck out to me. So I did the square root of 2596, which is the number that came up from that equation. And it equals 50.9509568. So then if we go back to my original computations, you see the 4278784, that's from this key. That was the base key of this equation. The base key for this equation, after I did the 2596 within zero, comes up with the 50.959568. So when we add the 4 and this, that's the first two equations. And then of course I'm going to be doing, I already did the videos where I did 786 was over this equation, which equaled the 5.87832796, and of course that leads us back to the message that freaked me out, that it was from the original earliest systematic use of a symbol for zero in place value system found in the mathematics of Mayas of Central and South. Oh, so there you go. I already talked about their scale and everything in another, they only go from 0 to 20 with their stuff there. So that's about the square root, how I came up with that second number from this little diagram, a zero with a bunch of numbers in it, and that's how I figured out what that meant. So we'll go on to the next thing.